everybody, and welcome back to another episode from the Brummy Kai Pond. There we go, Easter Sunday project. Waterfall blade back up and running. New box made today, painted up and put in place. Fish are looking really well. Quick check of the pond temperature. Just over 10 degrees, not that it would focus. But there you go, more than happy with that, job well done. Just some views of the pond at night time. It's actually 9 o'clock at night at the moment, and as you can see, the water is crystal clear. The lights do a fantastic job of lighting up the fish. For those of you that are wondering why the bottom of the pond is white, that's the remnants of the blanket answer, which I put in a few weeks ago to clear the blanket weed. When the weather warms up a bit more, I'll give it a good sweep out and clear that away, but at the moment it's keeping the blanket weed at bay. One of the things I've added to the system this year is an auto top up and overflow. As you can see here, this is the drain, bottom drain pipe coming into the drum filter, and there's an overflow. If I go inside, you should hopefully be able to see down in there where the pipe is. There is quite a bit of glare, so if I just stick my hand over the top, you can see where it turns and then comes out and then drops down, and you can see it overflowing there. The top up itself, if we go over here, you can just see for now little yellow pipe with a little bit of water just dropping into the pond there. So that's the top up and overflow. As you can see, sides of the pond needs repainting, so I need to get all these boards off, give them a good clean down and repaint. You can see here that a lot of the paint's peeling off, so that's a job when the weather warms up a little bit. If you like the video, then please like it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.